After passing the Food Security Bill, Lok Sabha to take up Land Acquisition Bill today. The bill seeks to provide just and fair compensation for acquired land.
In steepest single-day fall in 18 years. In steepest single fall in 18 years, rupee touches an all-time low of 68.85 against the dollar. Bearish sentiment in markets. Gold scales new height of 34,500 rupees per 10 grams.
RBI to sell dollars to oil companies to shore up the rupee. Decision aimed at curbing volatility in the forex market.
Finance Ministry terms the sharp fall in the value of the rupee as a reflection of irrational sentiment and says there is no need to panic.
Crashing rupee keeps the government within opposition crosshair. The Congress blames global factors for currency woes.
More trouble for Asaram Bapu. Jodhpur police refuses to give more time to respond to its summons. Rajasthan Chief Minister assures action will be taken against Asaram if he is found guilty. Friday could seal the rape-accused godman's fate.
The DM who gave a clean chit to Durga Shakti Nagpal is shunted out of Noida, but the suspended SDM herself could be back on duty soon.
Akhilesh Yadav finally gets tough on errant Samajwadi Party leaders, suspends 3 MLAs. Jeen Babu suspended for his alleged involvement in a sex racket in Goa, while 2 other MLAs suspended for anti-party activities.
Crime branch takes all accused to Shakti Mills compound to reconstruct the entire sequence of events leading to the crime. Victim of the gang rape discharged from the hospital.
In 1993 Mumbai serial blast case, an absconding accused arrested in Kannauр, Manoj Lal Bhawarlal, the 24th accused in the case, was taken into custody from his house. 257 people lost their lives in the blast.
US President Obama sure on Syrian government's involvement in the chemical gas strike, says open to military option but no decision made yet.
Speculation of US military action against the Syria spooks global markets. All Asian stocks fall and their currencies depreciate. Oil demand grows and international prices surge.
In Iraq, at least 80 people killed and several others injured in a series of coordinated bombings and attacks in Baghdad.
US Ford, well, IAEA has IAEA has now installed more than 1,000 advanced.
US Fort Hood gunman sentenced to death. Major Nidal Hassan sentenced to death for 2009 shooting rampage that killed 13 people on the US Army base.
Bombay High Court clears the decks for the Friday release of Prakash Jha's new film Satyagraha. Narayani Productions had registered a complaint against the plea to stop release of the film Satyagraha and also for damages worth 25 crore rupees.
Disappointed with IOA's decision to allow tainted officials to contest elections, Sports Minister Jitendra Singh writes to International Olympic Committee seeking its intervention.
India beat Bangladesh by 9-1 in the Asia Hockey Cup tournament in Malaysia's Ipoh. India to play host.
Somdev enters the second round of the US Open. Del Potro and Leighton Hewitt win their respective matches.
Birth anniversary of greatest hockey player of all times, Major Dhyan Chand, is being observed today. Various sporting events being held across the country to celebrate National Sports Day.
And Janmashtami, marking the birth of Lord Krishna, celebrated across the country with great fervour.